Customers praise the AV receiver's sound quality, with one noting it brings their basement into the 21st century, and appreciate its direct live feature and built-in features. The functionality and ease of setup receive mixed feedback, while some find it works well and is user-friendly. The audio quality and connectivity also get mixed reviews, with some enjoying pure listening enjoyment while others experience intermittent audio and connectivity issues. Customers consider it good value for money. Grade points. 1. 7. 1.4 Atmos capability, need an external lamp. 2. App support, see Homecast, AirPlay, etc. 3. Sound quality. 4. Direct included with mic. 5. 8K/60/4K/120 dummy port. 6. Full set of pre-outs. 7. You can independently set the crossovers. 8. Price-performance ratio. Please read more customers' reviews at Amazon in the link description below.